Alrighty. The year is 2022. World has changed very much. But one thing that hasn't changed is PJ still needs an Aeropress recipe. So let's get you one. Alright, so here's the changes. Minor changes. These days we're doing 195 degrees Fahrenheit over on the water. That's basically already reached that temp, so it shouldn't take very long. And over here we're doing 16 grams of coffee. And again, if you look at my settings, like this is not a espresso grinder, so we're kind of in the, I don't know, we're in the like medium fine zone of settings. So anyway, what you do is you get your 16 grams and you dump it in one way or another. I know you've got a brand new grinder, so I don't know what that thing looks like, but I bet it's easy to get the grinds into the Aeropress. I'm still doing the inverted. You can see that. This is the like little mobile Aeropress. In my case, it's much cleaner than my home one, so I don't want to put that in the video. And let's get to it. So I always do a little preheat of your water. Just gonna let that sit there. And then I'm into adding the water. These days, again, I got doing a little different recipe. I'm gonna add it all in direct from the kettle. And I've got 16 grams of grounds and doing about 130. Sorry, there's a bad glare. 130, in this case 135 grams of water. And I don't let that steep forever, so pretty much as in the amount of time it takes to basically, basically make it telescope a little. This one doesn't have a lot of room, so it's not going to telescope very much. Dump out that water that we put in there to warm the mug and then press. So what was the steep time on there? You can watch the video, but I don't know, 45 seconds tops. It's not very long. On the other hand, I'm going to reach over and get this milk. All right, got a little hiss, then I'm going to stop. They say the bitter coffee follows the hissing sound. And at that point, yeah, I've got like the 130 grams total. No, I guess I've got 150 grams of coffee in the mug, and then I'm waiting for the milk. And again, might take some of this out in post. Standing around. And spider webs off things. Most importantly, I wanted to show you pouring the milk in the coffee. I felt like that was a really key part of the last video. All right, for PJ, the grand finale. In this case, you want to pour the milk in. Yeah, that's what you want to do there. All right, beauty. Another fine recipe for PJ. Happy 2022. See you soon.